Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix Windows key not working. So first you need to check keyboard connection, that is the basic check, and you can try to restart your computer and you can try to test with another keyboard. If it is not the issue, you can go with further steps. And some keyboards, especially in the gaming keyboards, have a Windows lock key for the disable to Windows key. You can inspect your keyboard, and if there is a key for Windows lock, you can again press that one to unlock your keyboard Windows key. Then after you can go to start menu, go to setting, left side menu, go to accessibility, right side menu, scroll down and come to the keyboard section. You need to turn off filter keys like this. If it is turned on, you have to turn it off. Then after close this one. Again right click on the taskbar, go to task manager, go to the all the way down, then you will be find Windows Explorer, select that one, tap on restart. Again right click on the start menu, go to device manager, double tap on keyboard section, select your keyboard, right click on it, tap on update driver and tap on search automatically for drivers. If it says already installed, go back again, select the second option, select this one, select your driver, tap on next. This will reinstall the same driver. Do the same thing to other keyboard also, right click on it, update driver and search automatically for drivers like so. Again go to start menu, go to setting, in the left side menu go to gaming option, go to game mode, turn off game mode like this. If it is turned on, you can turn it off. Again go to start menu, go to setting, under the system section scroll down and come to the troubleshoot option, tap on other troubleshooters, scroll down, you can find keyboard option, tap on run. So it will be start the troubleshooting your keyboard issues. So you can see in my case there is no issue, so you can close this one. If there is issue, this will show the issue and you will be able to fix that one. And again go to search bar, search for run, run, tap on the application. In here you need to type REGEDIT, regedit, and hit enter.